3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺晚上11點，颱風納沙集結喺香港之東南偏南大約390公里，即係北緯18.9度、東經115.1度附近。預料向西南偏西移動，時速大約15公里，橫過南海北部同中部。納沙開始逐漸遠離本港，但影響華南嘅東北季候風會逐漸增強。喺東北季候風同納沙嘅共同影響下，本港仍然普遍吹強風，高地間中吹烈風。3號強風信號會喺聽朝5點前維持，除非本港嘅風力進一步增強，否則改發8號烈風或暴風信號嘅機會不大。市民聽朝外出前，請留意天文台發出嘅最新天氣報告。同納沙相關嘅外圍雨帶正為廣東沿岸帶嚟驟雨，而受東北季候風影響，該區氣溫會顯著下降，海面有大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘，大老山、昂坪同長洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時84、62同58公里，最高陣風分別係每小時95、91同74公里。
The strong wind signal number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 11 p.m., Typhoon Nisat was estimated to be about 390 km south-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 18.9 degrees north 115.1 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-southwest at about 15 km per hour across the northern and central parts of the South China Sea. Nisat started to gradually depart from Hong Kong. However, the northeast monsoon affecting southern China will strengthen gradually. Under the combined effect of the northeast monsoon and Nisat, local winds will remain generally strong, occasionally reaching gale force on high ground. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force before 5 a.m. tomorrow. Unless local winds strengthen further, the chance of issuing the number 8 gale or storm signal is not high. Members of the public are reminded to take note of the latest weather information from the observatory before departing tomorrow morning. The outer rain bands associated with Nisat are bringing showers to the coast of Guangdong. Under the influence of the northeast monsoon, temperatures over the region will fall appreciably. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Nongping and Chungchao were 84, 62 and 58 km per hour with maximum gusts 95, 91 and 74 km per hour respectively.